Spot-and-stalk bow hunting for pronghorn is hands down one of the toughest challenges in western hunting. I've done dozens of stalks, and every single one has taught me something, usually the hard way. If you're chasing these lightning-fast, wide-eyed animals, avoiding these 5 mistakes could save you hours in the field and get you closer to that dream shot. Not staying low enough, the silent killer. Antelope have eyesight that feels almost unfair. They'll pick you out at 700 yards if you're not dead low. This mistake alone ruins more stalks than anything else. Even if you think you're crawling low, you're probably not low enough. Your shoulders, head, or even boots sticking up can alert a buck. When you're inside 300 yards, there's no such thing as too low. I'm talking belly flat on the dirt, slow, deliberate, almost like a snake moving through grass. Rushing the final 100 yards. Patience pays off. You've done all the hard work, the long crawl, the glassing, the wait, then you lose it in the last 100 yards because you move too fast or make sudden movements. Antelope don't just bed down and relax. Their eyes are consistently scanning, and their heads are always moving. The final approach is a delicate dance. Each inch gained needs to be earned through perfect timing and calm, smooth movements. Ignoring micro-terrain, the power of small hills. Everyone wants big hills to hide behind, but pronghorn country is mostly flat. What really works is learning to read and use these tiny rises, swells, and folds in the land, sometimes just 6 to 12 inches high. These micro-terrain features can block your silhouette and give you cover where none seems to exist. If you overlook them, you're giving away your position unnecessarily. Popping up to check, the quick way to blow a stalk. Let's face it, it's tempting to sit up and peek when you're crawling, but popping your head up is like ringing a dinner bell for antelope. Instead, learn to glass from low angles or crawl to a better vantage point before raising your head. Trust me, losing your low profile even briefly is all it takes to put a stalk to the trash. Quitting too soon. When to fight another day. One of the biggest mental hurdles is knowing when to call it quits and when to keep going. You might spook a buck and think the hunt is over, but pronghorn don't always run far or fast. Sometimes they just circle back or bed nearby. If you back out quietly, watch their pattern, and wait for the right moment, you can get a second chance, sometimes even a better one. Bow hunting pronghorn is a test of patience, awareness, and respect for these incredible animals' senses. Avoid these mistakes and you'll give yourself a much better shot at success. If you've blown stalks or have your own lessons learned, share them in the comments. We all get better together. Subscribe and hit the bell for more real-world hunting tips, gear advice, and western hunting stories.